Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been way too long since I've done a lip art tutorial, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. I'm applying some of my Bite Beauty lip mask and I'm just going to wipe a bit of it off, but it just helps keep my lips so hydrated even when I do wipe it off. I'm applying Drug Lord as my base and I'm just using my Morphe E39 brush to just help get a clean application. So once that eyelash glue gets tacky, I'm going to start adhering these mini little icicles that I made from my hot glue gun. And I'm just going to apply them to the bottom of my lip just to have that look of, my lips freezing over and icicles have started to form. I'm applying some eyelash glue again. And now I'm going to take some cotton wool that I've just pulled apart and I'm just going to apply it to the parts of my lips where I want it to resemble snow. I'm now going to use my Lemonhead Adult Film Space Paste. This has rainbow reflex in it. It's a bit hard to see on the camera, but it's super pretty, and if you like glitter but hate the mess, this is perfect. So I'm just going to apply that to certain sections of my lips. This next product is really cool. It's called Ultra Ice and it basically emulates the look of ice. So I'm going to start applying it on my lip just to give it that frozen look. And then I'm also going to take it and apply it to different areas of my lips and on the icicles to give it more of a wet look. So I thought I'd film the process of my nails because I always get so many questions. So to start off, I'm using that same Lemonhead glitter all over my nail. Then I'm going to take that Ultra Ice and start applying it to my nail and creating that sort of icicle look. This doesn't dry completely hard, so you can't unfortunately wear these nails out afterwards. They're still a bit soft to touch. So that's it guys, here you have your Icicle Kiss lip art. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please comment below and I'll see you soon. Bye!